got it. Got it. Got it. Oh, that's a nice one too. Oh, that's a really nice one. How's it going, everybody? On this episode, I'm trying out a new product, guard dogs. Giving them a whirl, see how they work. If you guys enjoy this episode, I really appreciate it. Please hit that like and subscribe and comment down below. Tell me what you think. If you guys have ever used them, if you had any luck with them, I'm gonna see what I can do. Cast your rods out. Once you got it out where you want it, you drop down a rod holder. Then you take the guard dog and you run it. I got a little V-shaped piece on the bottom so I can keep it right in the middle. You bend your rod all the way forward so you get right on that tip there. Then you run your line up right up on it. On this other rod, I'm going to try to go after some bait fish, see what I can catch. Caught a gold eye. Caught a gold eye. God, these things are fun. Great bait. That one is going in the cooler. Hey, let go of my worm. Give me my worm back. Got one. Oh, that's a good one too. That's a very good one too. Oh, that's a nice one. It worked. Why am I just reeling him in now? Why isn't he fighting anymore? Come on, fight. He's just literally just coming in. He's like got no fight to him. That is wild. Oh, now you want to go crazy. Oh, wow, he's got a major sore on the top of his mouth. But that's, oh, not down there again. Not down there again. Oh, that was my fault. That was my fault. That was my fault. Come on. I don't know what kind of carp that is. That is a wild looking one. I don't know if that's like one of those they call like a ghost carp or something, or a mere carp. It's really long. Oh, oh, geez. Oh. Yeah, I didn't want them blowing up on me like that, but those are some weird scales. Look at that one. That is totally different. I've never seen one like that before. And he's got a major wound on his nose there. I don't know what happened to him. What could have attacked him or something, but those are some cool scales. If anybody knows what kind this is, with the scales like that, and missing, you know, it's missing scales too, but big scales, very big scales. If anybody knows what kind of carp that is, hit me up in the comments. Let me know. Because I don't know what kind that is. I mean, it doesn't even look like a regular common carp either. It's very long, narrow, different colors. It was really cool though. Well, let's let that one go back because that is really cool. Him and his messed up nose. He's gone. That was wild. Spirit, take me, help me catch a fishy. It's been too long since I've caught a fishy. There was just a bite. Yeah. God, my singing is so bad. If anybody else sings while they're waiting for a bite, let me know down in the comments. I got this Christian song just stuck in my head. I've just been humming it over and over and over. And just about every time I have, ooh, there was something decent that came up right next to. But every time that I'm all singing it, it seems to have given a little bit of a bite. Try again. Oh, there we go. Got it. Got it. There's another one again. Oh, that's a better one too. Oh, get him up. Again, not the target species for this video, but you can't turn down goldeye. Definitely not. Great, great bait. Just picking, just pick, pick, pick. Oh, that one just really got tapped. Am I gonna get like a double up? That'd be really cool. Oh, they're both kind of getting played with right now. Who will go first? It's like the game show. Will it be the one on the right or the one on the left? Make your pick now. Or will it be none of them? Come on now. Let's go. They're just picking at it, but he won't take it. But he wants it. Like, he's getting more aggressive with it. Come on. Take it. Take it. There, he's pulling. There it is. Got it. Got it. Got it. Oh, oh, that's a nice one too. Oh, that's a really nice one. Oh, he's fighting hard. Oh, I love these things. Oh, yeah, he's fighting real good. That's a really nice one. Oh yeah. He's in. That is so cool. So cool. Oh man, he's a really nice big one. Really nice. Oh, 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 oh. Come on. That is a really nice big one. Oh, if I can get him up here. Oh no, he came right off right there. Oh, son of a gun. That was a really nice big one too. Oh man. That's one of those instances where you need a landing net. Oh, I should have brought my landing net. Oh man, still, that was really cool. Got to watch it happen. Got a great fight out of that one too. Really good fight out of that one. Oh, and the left one was the winner. Gosh, that was so cool. So cool. I love these things. These things are so cool. Well, guard dog was on duty. Guard dog did his job. That was really cool carp. I don't know what kind it was. If it was a ghost carp, mirror carp, regular carp, I don't know. But it was really cool. And the guard dog, it did its job. It set that hook for me and, you know, had a nice little fun fight for a second there. Then I kind of just reeled him in. But if you guys enjoyed this episode, please hit that like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And also, check out the guard dog. Really cool item. Thank you.